Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen how we can join two tuples. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see methods of tuple. So since tuples are not changeable, so we have only two methods, which is count, okay, and second is index. So let's see one by one. First, count. Before that I'll just create one tuple, okay, which will contain numbers or a string. So I'll say t1 equals to, I'll just copy this tuple, okay, and add few numbers 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 5 6 6 7 7 7 7 7 8 9 10. Okay, so I am repeating these numbers because I will show you something more. Okay, so I'll just indent this properly. Okay, now we are fine. So first we have count. So if I say print print t1 dot count, and I need to find how many times this 7 is repeating, so I'll just write 7 over here, 7, and if I run this, then you can see it is showing us 5. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 7 is repeating 5 times. Okay, so this count basically returns a specific value which is repeating again and again. Okay, count of specific value actually. And index, I will just comment this print statement, and index will basically find index value of particular item. So in our case, let's find index number of coconut. Okay, so if I will say t1 dot index, and here I will write coconut. Okay, and I will run this. You can see 2, index number is 2. Okay, 0, 2, 1 and 2. So this is second index number. So these are the methods in a tuple. Okay, so in next video we are going to start dictionaries. What are dictionaries in Python? And again, dictionary is another data type which can store multiple values in a single variable. Okay, so that is also important. So see you there. Thank you.